Sir, I go to the next area, and that is with regard to agriculture. The agriculture minister has stated in a conference the other day that in spite of drought, he has fixed a target of 175 million tons of food grain for the current year. That is a good idea, but the important thing to which the president has referred is the need of increase in the production of oil seeds, and to this I add pulses. I want the government to give special attention to the production of these things because edible oils and pulses are the common man's need in India, and we are having shortage of pulses and edible oils, and we are importing these in a very large quantity. So the thrust of our program, as we have done in the case of green revolution, is that we should concentrate on the production of pulses and edible oils, and then sure our own people that within a period of 2 years we will attain self-sufficiency in edible oils and pulses. Para change. The next point is with regard to public sector. There is no doubt that the public sector occupies a commanding height, and it has occupied commanding heights in our mixed economy. But the problem of accountability of public sector has not been done to the desired extent. I submit, sir, that for this purpose the program implementation ministry is helping the public sector undertakings with regard to any difficulties that they face in that ministry on or before 5th of every month. They get a report from the particular undertaking with regard to the difficulties that they face in manufacturing or marketing or finance or any other thing, and the program implementation ministry sees to it that these difficulties are removed. But a new thinking has come to the heads of these public sector undertakings, that is, by sending the report on the 5th of every month, they pass on the buck to the program implementation ministry, and they forget about what they have written. This attitude has to be changed. The executives of these public sector undertakings should be told that the planning commission or the program implementation ministry is there only to help you, and it is for you to set things right and see that any difficulties faced by them are removed and their undertaking shows result. I think for that purpose it will be advisable that their promotion or renewal of their contract or enhancement of their present grade should be linked with the jobs done by the heads of these public sector undertakings.